Alright, so here is how we install Linux Mint. Just double click on that CD icon at the desktop. Alright, and here we have the installer. Make sure the English is selected. Press continue. Again, for keyboard layout, select English US, and make sure English US is still selected on the other side. Continue. Alright, it's asking whether to install media codec. I don't have internet connection, so I'm going to skip this one. Just continue. If you have it, make sure to tick and have it installed. Alright, now it's asking whether to erase my disk. I only have one disk, so there's nothing to worry about. But if you are on your hard disk, you may decide to choose either to erase the entire disk or choose something else where you'll be allowed to select the partition where to install. If there's nothing important on your hard disk, just erase the disk and install. Select the first option and install now. Alright, it's going to create two partitions. There's partition 1 as ESP and the partition 2 as ext4, and my disk is right here. It's a virtual disk 1. So I'll click continue. It has picked my location correctly. You can pick yours on this map. Click continue. Asking for my name, and then I'll choose my password and confirm my password again. Login automatically, no. Require password to login, yes. Let's now allow it to continue with the installation. It's gonna take a while, so I'm going to skip to after installation. Installation was completed. Yeah, and that's it, guys. That's the end of this video. If you like it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, still give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, and catch you guys on the next one.